Hello everyone, it's Trina with Citrus Twist Kits, and I am here to share with you the July Best of This Life Crafted kit. I'm starting with some of the ephemera just spread out on my table here so you can see a lot of the pieces from peaches, a dog, florals, all kinds of things. I love this little moon. And here is a close-up of the ephemera pack that comes in this month's kit. Now I'm going to move on to the free printable digital that you can download off of our shop. Go to digitals, and as a kit subscriber, go to subscriber digitals, and you can download your free files for the month, including this beautiful printable sheet designed by Caitlin Schaefer, and also the cut files designed by Natalie. Now I'm going to move on to our exclusive 6x8 pattern papers for the kit this month. You're going to see really sherbet-like colors, perfect for summer, tropical trips, and just bright, happy colors. This kit would also work great with birthday parties, vacations, staying in hotels, visiting family, and just sharing all of the best that life has to offer. This is an example of kind of the color range that's happening in this month's kit. You've got our 3x8 bookmark. You've got our cut apart tag sheet that comes printed in the kit for you to cut apart. We've got our 4x6 journaling cards. And we've got our 3x4 cards that I'm just going to go ahead and flip through so you can see the fronts and backs of those real quick. Almost done with these, and then we'll move on to some of the other embellishments in this kit. Go for it. One fine day. So those are the 3x4 cards that come in the kit this month. This is the kit that follows along the theme of the best of this life. You can have a lot of fun with this stamp set. I'm really enjoying using it. We've also got more of these enamel dots. We've been getting rave reviews from these from people. These are just in a bright array of tropical colors and dots, stars, and hearts. We've got some chipboard stickers that cover, just again, continuing along with the theme of the best of this life. And our first ever wood grain chipboard alphabet. Guys, this is going to come separate outside of your zipper pouch because it's just a little too big to fit in your zipper pouch. So you'll find that loose in your bag when you get this kit this month. And you're going to love how you can just punch out the alphabet letters for this and position them around your paper, figure out where you want to put your titles, and then stick them down by peeling off the little backing. And last but not least, we've got more of our puffy stickers with the cardstock toppings. And again, these are in the bright sherbet-like colors. Last, I'm going to share with you some of the projects that I've made in my Life Crafted album. I'm working in the Goldenrod Yellow album, just continuing on with the stories of things that are happening to us, from college move-outs with roommates, college stories, hanging out at college with my daughter, coffee outings, time in the beautiful outdoors using the oversized photos. These I'm trimming 5 inches by 8¼ inches, so it's a great way to kind of make a mini album out of these. Can easily fit in 4x6 photos. These are samples of the little journaling spots that we're now adding to our digital journaling card files, beginning with the month of July. 5x7 photos can fit nicely on the pages. And you can just keep on easily telling your story with our Life Crafted albums system that you'll find the albums in different colors and all the pages in our shop. Last but not least, for my layouts, I'm going to show this 8.5 by 11 layout that I did featuring my cat Nikki, using the various papers from the July Life Crafted kit. And next I'm going to go on and just share real quickly this is Life stamp set for July, the Traveler's Notebook stamp set, and our add-on stamp. And this is called Chasing Curiosities. This is just following in the theme of Best of This Life for Traveler's Notebook, and continuing along in that vein, our 2x3 stamp. Anyways, we cannot wait to see what you create with your your kits this month, be sure to share with us and tag us on Instagram so we can see what it is you're up to. And you have a happy and beautiful July, everyone. Looking forward to seeing what you make. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.